how to graft avocado. You're gonna need cuttings this size, and then you're gonna cover them with body tape. This will prevent the scion wood from dehydrating. Then you're gonna cut the rootstock flat, and on this part you're gonna make a V cut. This is the cleft graft. This is better if you do it in the spring, like March or April. And then you're gonna cut in the middle right here. And then just place the scion wood there. The most important thing is for the cambium layers to touch each other, so the bark of one side to touch the other. As long as one side is touching, that's fine. And then just cover with body tape. Here we see the results of the grafting. That's how you can graft your avocado seed.